So this is Samarpan sir in front of you. So today I am going to discuss the very first chapter for class 9th student of English textbook, and the name of the first chapter, as you can see there, the name of the first chapter in English is The Fun They Had. So I am going to discuss. Okay, so let us read the story, The Fun They Had. This story is written by Isaac Asimov. So before you read, the story we shall read is set in the future, when the books and the schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. How will the children study then? The diagram below may give you some ideas. Now, what happened? So, this is the story about the school, and this is the story which is set in the future when the books and the school perhaps not exist. So if there is no books and no school, then how the children will learn? So with the help of this diagram, we are going to know. So let us see the diagram. As you can see there in your screen, learning through computer, virtual classes, robotic teachers, e-text. Now, so what happened? So in a future school, children's, there will be a learning through computer, virtual classes, robotic teachers. That means students are sitting in front of a computer at their homes for learning, and the teacher are in form of robot, and they do not have any books. They have e-books. E-books means the books which are only available in your computer screen. So let us see what happened in the story thoroughly. Okay, so Margie even wrote about it that the night in her diary. On the page headed 17th May 2157, she wrote, "Today Tommy found the real book." Okay, first of all, just notice that date, 2157 or 17th May. So right now we are living in 2020. Right now we are living in 2020. As told earlier, the story is set in the future, so it is set in the year 2157, so almost 143 years from now. So at that time, the Margie writes a diary entry. In her diary, she writes, "Tommy found a real book." Tommy found a real book, and she is feeling so strange, because in her times real book do not exist, and they have only e-books or the virtual books. So she is feeling very, very strange. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. So Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when the books or the stories were printed on paper. So that's why she's feeling very, very strange. So they turned the pages which were yellow and crinkled, and it was awful funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on the screen. You know now what happened. So when they turned the pages, when they turned the pages turned into yellow or turned yellow, and it has been crushed as it was very old. Now Margie is just talking about she's talking about books that Tommy found. She says that the pages of the books turned yellow and has been crushed as it was very old. And the children and they, Margie and Tommy, found this very funny because the words, whatever written in the books, stood still. Means, what do you mean by the words stood still? So, as the words were printed on book, they did not move. On the other hand, they have ebooks and they have books only available in computer screen. So in the ebooks, how it happens, the text keeps on moving as your screen moves, but it was different in the books printed on paper. So what I mean to say is they found it very funny because the words are stood still, and in their ebooks the text keeps changing on a screen, but it was very different in the books printed on paper. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words. It had the same words on it and had when they read it first time. So this was a very strange experience for the children, for them, because when you have a books which is printed on paper, whenever you flip the page, you to get to see the same thing written on the pages. On the other hand, in the ebook, the text keeps on changing on the screen. The screen is same. You have the same screen in front of you, but the text keeps on changing. So whenever you go back, the text is different. But in the books, what happened in the printed books? What happened? The paper, whenever you flip the paper, you to get to see the same thing written on the pages. Gee, Tommy said, Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with the books, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had 1 million books on it, and it's good for a plenty more. I would throw it away. So what happened? So now, Guy said, Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with this book, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had 1 million books on it, and it's good for the plenty more. I would not throw it away. So now, what the Tommy disliked the printed book. Actually, Tommy disliked the printed book, and he said that it was a waste because he felt that whenever you complete reading a book, you have to throw it away. You cannot have some different story written on the same book. On the contrary, he felt that the computer screen was very good because the same screen had shown him the many books and still he could read many more on it. He would not have to throw that screen away when once he had a particular story. Means the Tommy disliked the book because whenever you complete reading, you have to throw the book. You cannot have you cannot have some different story written on the same book. But in the computer screen or in their books or in their ebooks, what happened? The screen had shown him many books and still could read many more on it. So that's why Tommy dislikes the book which is printed on paper. Okay, so then same with mine, said Margie. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many textbooks as Tommy had. he was 13. Now Margie was also agreed with Tommy. Margie was 11 years old, and she has read, or she has not read as many as book as Tommy, because the Tommy was older than Margie. So he was 13 years of age. Now up to here, what happened? In this story, there are two main characters, a young character, Tommy and Margie. Tommy found the real book, and after finding that, what happened? They are strange. They experience very strange about the book of the past. So they are comparing the future book with the book used in the past. Okay, then what happened? So she said, "Where did you find it?" In my house. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. Now what happened? So Margie asked Tommy, "Where did you find such a book?" The Tommy pointed his finger towards the storeroom and said that, like this, he pointed his finger towards the storeroom because without looking at Margie, because he was busy reading. So that's why he pointed at the storeroom and he said that, "In my house, in the storeroom, I found it." Okay, and now again Margie is asking, what's it's about? School. Now the Margie asked Tommy now, "So what was written in the book?" And Tommy replied, "The book is written about school. It is about going to school. It is about the life of the student." Margie was scornful. School? What's there to write about school? So what's there to write about the school? I hate school. So what happened? Margie was scornful, and school, what's there to write about school? I hate school. So scornful means show your dislike for something, to show your dislike for something. So Margie hated school. The Margie hated the word school, and so she said that what was there to write about school? That an entire book had been written about school. So Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. So what happened? Margie always hated school, but she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent her for the county inspector. Now what happened? So Margie hated school, but nowadays she hate school more and more, because the mechanical teacher had given a test after test in geography, and she had doing worse and worse and worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully, and her mother sent her to the county inspector. Here county inspector is like a principal of the school who managed the robotic teacher. So Margie hated school, but nowadays she hates school more than before, because the county inspector is doing test again and again in geography, and she is doing worse and worse. So that's why she hates school more than earlier. Okay, so after this for today, I will discuss more in my next video. In my next video I will discuss the remaining portion. So up to this, you just go through the book. If you do not have book, you watch this video again and again. You can get the book in this video also. So you go through the book, you go through this video. If any confusion, you can contact to me, or you can text me. Whatever your question, you can text me. I'll answer your question. But go through the book and revise the chapters, whatever you learn, and stay at home, stay safe. I will join you in the next video. Thank you very much and have a great day ahead.